Hola, my name is Raditya Harjo Joyopuspito, and in this video, I want to talk about Portuguese loanwords in Indonesian language. Indonesian language, or widely known as Bahasa Indonesia, is a standardized Malay variety that is used as the national language in Indonesia. It has many borrowed words or loanwords that originated from many languages around the world, such as Sanskrit, Hokkien, Arabic, Portuguese, Dutch, and French. Therefore, it shares some of its vocabulary with this language. The Portuguese language, along with the Dutch language, has been the major influence in Bahasa Indonesia. Therefore, the Indonesian language has many words that originated and adapted from the Portuguese language. But how does this happen? It all started from the 16th century. At that time, the Portuguese have developed their maritime technology, which allowed them to travel all around the world by sea, including to Indonesia. 1511, they arrived in Malacca, and since then, the Portuguese language was introduced to the locals. Then by the 17th century, the Portuguese language has been used as the language that connects many ethnicities, besides the Malay itself. And when the Portuguese brought missionaries to Indonesia, the interaction between the Portuguese and Indonesian was even more intense. So, that explains how the Portuguese language influenced the Indonesian language. That is through colonization and intercultural process. So, what are the Portuguese loanwords in the Indonesian language? There are so many Portuguese loanwords in the Indonesian language, but here are the most popular and frequently used words that originate from the Portuguese language. Bangku, bangku. Bendera, bendeira. Boneka, boneke. Dadu, dadu. Garpu, garfu. Jendela, janela. Meja, mesa. Sepatu, sapatu. Mentega, mentega. Kemeja, camisa. So, this answered how the Indonesian language has many loanwords that originated from the Portuguese language. The interaction between the two languages, as a result of colonization and intercultural process, has made this thing happen. Even though most Indonesians did not aware of these loanwords, they certainly use these words on a daily basis. This shows that the Indonesian and the Portuguese have some kind of closeness in terms of culture and language. Terima kasih. Obrigado.